Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Thanksgiving placemats available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Thanksgiving Placemat. This entertain guests and serve a big meal with all the fixings on our placemats year after year. It is made of 98% polyester 2% cotton. You can welcome in autumn leaves and pumpkin spice to your fall decorations with these delicately embroidered, yet sturdy placemats. Dye offers delightful home products including themed placemat table runners etc. This placemat features detailed embroidered autumn leaves on each corner, and a subtle garnet colored edge stripe. At number 6 we have Gaxxs Placemat. This mug-on table placemats can match all kinds of styles of furniture. They can be played under cups, tablewares, vases and ashtrays as decorations to your dining tables and tea tables. It also can be used as placemats, coasters, pot holders and heat pads on dining tables, tea tables and panios. You can use this one each all together during the dinner barbecue and so on. At number 5 we have Vancelyn Placemat. This placemat is to protect the dinner table from watermarks, food stains or heat damage. They also serve as decoration, especially placemats made from lace or silk. It is a set of 6 pieces. At number 4 we have a Gaxxs Placemat. This placemats are made of 70% PVC and 30% polyester fiber, durable and reusable, wear resistant and non-slip. It is machine washable. When you get it you will find it worth having. The effective insulation of this placemat can reach 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which can well protect the table from scratches and stains. This Thanksgiving Day placemats can easily dress up your dining table. The perfect accessories on the dining table, exquisitely designed high-quality placemats, and very elegant appearance add more fun to your kitchen table. At number 3 we have Califo Placemat. It comes with 11x17 larger paper sheets. These printable mats even double as festive place cards. Simply write the guests' names on each one. The fall coloring placemats are not only used on the dining table. They can also be hung on the wall to decorate souvenirs handmade on holiday parties. Parents can dispose of the used placemats after the big meal, or they can save them as a special keepsake to help remember and celebrate childhood Thanksgivings. These mats make excellent teacher classroom materials too. At number 2 we have Hami Placemat. This durable autumn-fall table mats are made of cotton and linen, and high-quality handicrafts make them soft and comfortable, anti-scalding thermal insulation, and prevent high-temperature tableware from directly touching the tabletop. The table placemat can protect your glass table or wooden table from scratches, or avoid spilled food and water on the tabletop. In addition to the dining table, it can also be used for desks, coffee tables etc. It can be easily washed in water and then air dried. At number 1 we have zekjmvo Placemat. The Happy Thanksgiving Day Party design print placemats are mainly made of polyester. It protecting your table with these durable Happy Thanksgiving Harvest Farmhouse Pumpkins placemats. This beautiful farm zoo table mats is to add more fun to your kitchen table, coffee time etc. It is a great gift idea to your friends. It is fit for outdoor and indoor activities such as barbecue, picnic, beach boat and etc. It's offer you a comfortable, relaxing, natural environment. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Thanksgiving placemats for your need.